Hello guys. In the previous lecture, we had already installed the Oracle VirtualBox and also created the VM using the Red Hat ISO file. So we are going in this lecture. We are going to run some basic commands of the Linux. So to save the time, I have already started my VM, and let me log in into the login as a root user. Yeah, now we have login as a root user. So let I want to see the my current directory. So there is a command in the Linux, w wpd no pwd. So it will give your current directory in which you are executing the command. Okay, and if I want to, if there is another command also, if in the current directory I want to list the files and subdirectories, so the ls command is there. Okay, so in the current directory I have only the one file. Okay, like if I want to, if we have to switch the directory, so there is a command, cd command. So it helps to switch the directory. Okay, so if we don't provide any argument, so it will go to in the current directory. If we want to go to the previous directory, we have to pass double doors there. So it will take to our the previous directory. Let's see how many files and directories are there in the previous parent directory. So these files are present in the slash directory. Okay, so in the Linux, slash directory is a top level hierarchy of the file structure of the Linux. Okay, okay, and just like there is a one more option in the cd. If we pass the still sign, so what it does, it will go to the current user home directory. So now I have already login. I have logged as a root user, and root user home directory is slash root. So if I go to somewhere else, like etc, like etc, and might be user has any other home directory, but I don't know what is in the exact part of that, but I want to go that to home directory, then I can use this command. So it will directly move to in the home directory, current home directory. Okay, and if there is one more command in the Linux whoami, which will provide which user through which user we are currently executing this command. So I already told you that I already log in as a root user. So it is giving the root username. Okay, and one more thing, if I want to, there's one more command. If I want to see the date, so it will give you the current date and time. And okay, and many commands have the sub option kind of things, just like I want to just in date I want to just only the year, current year. So there is a format called y. So this will give, okay, let me, this will give you the current year only. Of there is one command might have may have many options, many subs command. So you don't have to remember everything. Every command has some help option provides. Okay, help options. So here you can see in the all the options. Currently, it don't give. I think the VM don't give any options to scroll down. So we can use the uh, pipe symbol. This is the pipe symbol. Let me clear the screen first. So Just like if we want to we have executed the many command, and I want to clear the whole screen. So Linux has a one command clear. Okay, it will clear all the screen now. Now I want to see the all the sub option all the options, sub commands of the date. So date help. But I want to give the some scrollable option. So there is a command called less command. So there is a symbol called pipe. This is a pipe symbol. Okay, and what does pipe symbol? It will take the first command out standard output, and it will provide the next command as a standard input. So what it will do, help this command's output date command output help with help option will be passed as an input in the less command. Okay, so it will give the scrollable kind of option better view. Okay, so we can easily see all the options. You can see I can now with the arrow, keyboard arrow sign, I can now see all the options in the one view. Okay, you can see there is a there is a many options are there. Hyphen date, if I want to display I want to provide the custom date there. There is a set option, I want to set the custom date. There is a some formatter also, just like some programming language has a string formatter, something like that. So it helps to it helps to retrieve particular segment, just like I want to retrieve only year, yeah, particular month, yeah, particular weekday. So these options are helpful that time. So you don't have to remember this all option. Go to the help, go to use this hyphen help command. Otherwise, there is a might be hyphen l h. So there's a thing you can use. So you do. I recommend don't remember don't try to remember these things. Just like we are reading the history, so don't try to remember that time. Okay, so to quit from the less command, you have to press the Q. Now we can got back to the shell. Okay, okay. Now I want to see the menu just like we have uh, provided in the hyphen y option. It will give the current year. If I want to also print the month, I think this option. Okay. Mm, yeah, I think it will. Yeah, I think it is working. If I want to print the day also, percentage hyphen. Yeah, it's working right now. It is just kind of something string formatter. Okay. Now we have now let me clear this screen first. Now we the next command called calendar command. It to just simply show the calendar things. Okay, just like we see we have bought some calendar kind of just simple that format. Okay, it also has some help options, so you can see if I want to print uh, months calendars. Okay, so it will give you the 3 months, February, March, and April. Okay, and there is a one more command in the Linux history. It shows which commands has been executed. Okay, it will show all the list. You can see at the starting we executed the pwd ls, all the things we have executed, it show all the things. Okay, and one more thing, I already showed you the ls command. Okay, there is a one file. If might be there is some hidden files also there. So if we want to see all the files in the current directory, even hidden, so there is an option called hyphen a. So it will give you can see there is a initially it was showing only one file. Now it showing the many files. So, okay, in the Linux, if some file has a prefix, some file name has a prefix with dot, So it will be treated as a hidden file, and normal ls command will not show that files in your other or folders in the output. Okay, now I want to see more information about files and folders. There is a one more option, hyphen L, also list option. So it will give you the some permissions, like which this is, yeah, this is the first part here is the file permissions. Second part is the user and group, and other things are the here size. Okay. File size, folder size are there. Okay, there is many other options in the ls command. So let me search for the help. I think if I help, yeah, this is. Let me see all the options. We have the hyphen a. There is a many alias also, hyphen a and hyphen all. Both will show same output. We can say that both are alias. Okay, and let me see some if there is some human readable format thing. Okay, yeah, hyphen h is a human readable format thing, so it will give you a better idea about it. Yeah, hyphen a, hyphen l, or hyphen h. Total, yeah, it's showing 28 KB. Okay, there's a might be one more option if it show in these individual file in the bytes KB units. Let me see if there is any other option. Okay, I think this might be option. Let's do not waste this time. It is you have to if you have something need, you have to figure out if there is a option is available or not. Okay, and I think we have covered the some basic command pwt. Let me provide the basic brief about the all the commands I have executed. This command provide the current directory path, and ls command show the files name which are not hidden. If hyphen a show also all the hidden files. Hyphen l also show the list view. It show the file permissions, user group, size, when it is created, uh, and its name. Okay, and one more thing, hyphen h will give you about the some human readable format, like here there is no unit. Now if I enter, it will show the 28 KB it is showing. Okay, and there is a who command was there. It show the current user which we are logging and executing the command. And cd command, if you go to previous directory. Cd tilde sign, this is a tilde sign. Okay, this is a tilde sign. It shows the current logged in user. It takes to the logged in user home directory. We have login as a root user, and its home directory is /root. Okay, so this is the root user home directory, so it is taking to that directory. And clear command to clear the screen. Date, cal, history. History command might be sometime useful, like if we want to debug something which command has been executed by the particular user. So this command might be very helpful in the debugging scenarios. Okay, so we have seen some basic commands of the Linux. You should practice this command to get familiar with the Linux command line. So it will be easy. In the next part, we will see the Linux file structure, like which like there is some specific folder like bin boot etc has some specific meaning in the Linux, like which folder is used for which purpose. So I will explain that part in the next lecture. Okay, so today's I have concluded this lecture. Okay, thank you.